Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Logitech G213 gaming keyboard. We'll dive into its key features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your setup. This keyboard boasts a durable, spill-resistant design and customizable RGB lighting across 5 zones. We'll also discuss its unique mesh dome keys, which aim to provide a tactile feel similar to mechanical switches. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of whether this keyboard is worth your investment. Let's look at the G213's design and key features. This keyboard is built with a durable, spill-resistant membrane, protecting against accidental spills of up to 60 milliliters of liquid. It includes an integrated palm rest for enhanced comfort during extended gaming or typing sessions. The vibrant RGB lighting is customizable across 5 distinct zones, allowing for personalized aesthetics. Plus, dedicated media controls provide easy access to volume and playback, a handy feature for any user. Now let's talk about performance. The G213 utilizes Logitech's mesh dome keys, engineered to deliver a tactile response akin to mechanical switches. These keys feature a 4mm travel distance and require 50 grams of actuation force, providing a satisfying typing and gaming experience. Its anti-ghosting matrix ensures that multiple key presses are registered accurately, which is crucial for fast-paced gaming. Overall, it offers a responsive and reliable performance for both intense gaming sessions and everyday productivity tasks. So, is the Logitech G213 worth it? This keyboard strikes a good balance between features, durability, and affordability, making it a compelling option for many gamers. While it uses membrane keys rather than true mechanical switches, its mesh dome technology provides a surprisingly satisfying tactile feel. For its price, the G213 offers robust build quality, customizable RGB lighting, and reliable performance. If you're seeking a feature-rich gaming keyboard without breaking the bank, the G213 presents excellent value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.